chops. And you know when your slice and dice just doesn't cut it. Not like it used to. Meet Resharp, a better, faster way to sharpen your dull blades, leaving you with a knife that's like new, so it's safer, your food tastes better, and you can cut faster. Our patented automated system restores your knife's edge to its original factory sharp condition within seconds. And you don't have to lift a finger. It's knife sharpening, revolutionized. So how does it work? Our vision scanning machine studies your knife's unique blade, then grinds the V-bevel with engineered accuracy before carefully examining it, giving it a polishing pass, and buffing your knife to clean, smooth perfection. It's factory precision without the factory. It's superior quality without the hassle of DIY sharpening systems. And it's conveniently located at a hardware store near you. So you can get your knives sharpened on demand, anytime, while you watch or while you shop. How's that for cutting edge? We didn't invent knife sharpening, we reinvented it. So say goodbye to dull moments and get the edge your meal preps need with Resharp.